All right, folks. So tonight, what we're going to do is, as I step in for Miss Saunders, we're going to go ahead and use Minecraft Pi Edition to introduce you to Python programming. And so we're going to go ahead and get started. We're actually going to use the technique that was developed as this thing goes through here by Ben Watson, actually later on in probably a few lessons down the road. But if you start on, for those people who've never played Minecraft, which we do have those, go ahead, start the game, hit create world. And, you know, it's like the very app style, very small version of the game, but it does allow us to hack it. But for those who've not played Minecraft or haven't played it in a while, remember WSAD to get yourselves around, E for inventory, space to jump, double space to fly and fall, escape to pass, tab, hit the tab key when you want to get out of the game and go to access other programs. That's going to be important. If you select an item from a quick draw panel with the mouse scroll wheel or use numbers on your keyboard, press E and select something from the inventory. So you hit E for inventory. You can also do that. And with your sword in your hand, you click on blocks in front of you, remove them or dig. With a block in your hand, you can use it right click to place the block in front of you or left click to remove a block. Pretty straightforward stuff right there. Okay? So I'll give you all just a couple minutes to go ahead and play that. Oh, go under games and click on Minecraft. If you didn't know how to pull it up, just go under games, Minecraft. In your Raspberry Pi, click under games and you'll find Minecraft. Raise your hand once you've gotten Minecraft running and that's going. Please do so we can move on to the next group. Well, Andrew, you're going to need to use a monitor from your TV. It might have HDMI or just watch the videos being recorded. You can watch it when you have a chance to get a monitor. When you double tap the W key, you start to fly as well. Apparently, Grayson's let me know. Can I scroll up? I'll scroll up. There are the keys. All right. It looks to me like most people now have got Minecraft running, and that's great. I can't broadcast my screen very well. Even if I control it with SSHs, which is one way we've done it in the past, the Minecraft doesn't show up. So we won't be doing that. All right. So here's what we're going to do. And let me see if there's any questions. That's the only thing I want to make sure before going. Oh. When you double tap W key, it makes you go and not stop without having to hold your W key down. It works when you're flying too. Okay, thank you. Thanks for that little tip. All right, now, what we're going to do is I want you to go back, and this is coming, folks. This resource is coming. Really want to thank the folks at Raspberry Pi Learning Resources. So we will put up the PDF for you to see, but it is available to Raspberry Pi people. All right? This is where I'm pulling this lesson off of. We've done this in the past. We're using theirs. Okay. Now, this is from MCPi Minecraft import. So here's what we're going to do. You are going to go into Python. You're going to go into, let me pull up my old screen from this. We're going to go into Python 2.7. It says Python 3. It's wrong. It's a huge mistake. All right, so that's when we used to have to install Minecraft. It comes on there now. We don't have to do that. We're going to use something called, so we're going to be using Python 2. There's Python 3 and this IDLE, or Python 2, Python 3, depending on how it looks up. Let me check on your screen, because I'm using two different versions of this. Bear with me. If you go under Programming, select Python 2. If you're going under Programming, select Python 2. All right? Everybody go, tab out of Minecraft, select Programming, Python 2. Okay? Then let me show you what we're going to have. So, you've been playing Minecraft. There's different data types. We're going to come back to that in a little bit more. We've installed Minecraft. So you're going to launch Minecraft, and you're going to launch the IDLE. You're going to click on a file, select a new window, create a Hello Minecraft program. We're going to use 2. Don't use 3. It will not work. Yay. Just hit the tab key. That's how you tab out of it. All right, so everybody's tabbed out hopefully by now. Raise your hand if you've tabbed out of Minecraft and you've opened up Python 2.7. Raise your hand if you've done that. Or over half of you have done it. Good job. Go ahead, everybody, and do that so we can go on to the next step of this. All right. Wait. IDL, not IDL 3. Correct. We want Python, right, 2, not 3. Okay, I got everybody on there. So what we're going to do is create Hello World in Python. To do that, we're going to use an API. API is an application programming interface. It's a protocol intended to be used by an interface by software components to communicate with each other. What that really fancy way of saying is, these are functions that I make a program. I want to let other programmers be able to change the program and maybe add some features. Think of the API as a pipe. All right? Think of it as a pipe. All right? So, that way you can control, we can go in there and actually, all right? So here we go. So API provides us tools to adapt, modify, change the program to our needs. All kinds of, at one time Twitter had APIs they let everybody use. Now after a while the software might mature and they don't do that anymore. But you can see you get them, okay? So to create our Hello World program, we are going to import Minecraft. Would be an example. Import block would be another API block manual. And then standard Python manuals import time. So the API Minecraft manual in Python, just think of this like a library. And we're bringing in new books to our library. And these are the Minecraft books that we can then deal with in Python. So we got import Minecraft, and in there we're going to have a function called block that's going to come in this way. It's going to make more sense in a few moments. Sorry, it's not super clear right now. Okay? Escape and clicking also works. So in our hello world, we do import Minecraft, income block, import time. That's part of the... we'll come to that in a minute here, okay? So what I want you to write in the beginning, let's just go ahead and do what they show on their spot. You are going to write in the code of this. Let me pull this out of here. All right. What I want you to do is go in Python 2 and do File, select New Window, and save it as Hello World. So I want you to go into the... I want you, when you got Minecraft up, I want you to go into IDLE, or it's called Python 2 on a Raspberry Pi. Screen comes up. I want you to save it. Let me even show you the code so it makes a little more sense than that. I want you to go to File, select New Window, and then File and save it. Save it as Hello World. So you're in Python. You just start Minecraft up, Andrew, under games. You don't have to import it in. Go under games. It'll be right there. I'm put everybody's hands out. Raise your hand when you've got Python 2.7 running and you've saved it. You've gone in, you've said File, New Window, and then do File, Save, and save it as Hello World. Raise your hand when you've done that. Andrew, please tab out of Minecraft and do that. Make sure you've got Minecraft running, folks. Don't quit Minecraft. You're tabbing out of it. So you get a screenshot that looks something like this. If I can blow this up a little bit more, I'll show you. So right here, in your Python, you have Minecraft running on your screen. And in the background, you've started up Python. You're going to do File, New Window, do File, Save, and do, when you say Save, it's going to ask you, what do you want to save it? Save it as Hello World. Yes. Just do File, New Window. Go under File or New Program. No, it can be all one word. Hello World. Go File, New Window. There it is. File, Save. It's going to ask you the program. Just save it where there defaults to save. Just say Hello World. Make it one word. Raise your hand once you've done that, folks, or tell me. Ben, have you done that? Una, have you done that? Cameron, have you done it? Yes, you don't have to have the Python shell. Una, I'm not sure what you're telling me, dude. Do we save it to Python? You just save it, save Hello World, click Save. You're all set. All right, great. Now, you should just have I'll come down this shot here. This is the shell right here. I don't like just doing it to the shell like that. I do it to the file. It'll look something like this. you can have, let me pull this up because I want to make sure I'm agreeing with the way they, so I want you to type from, in that new file you just created, you know, that screen there, type from space mcpy, just like right up here. From mcpy.minecraft space import Minecraft. Notice these are lowercase here. This is uppercase Minecraft here. It's important that you get that right. MC equals Minecraft.create parenthesis. This is this MCPy Minecraft, that's the API, and we're importing this function, Minecraft, or this, that function's right thing, these group of functions under Minecraft. Then we're creating a pipe for you to talk from Python into Minecraft. And what we're saying then in this pipe, MC period, post to chat, capital T, capital C, hello world. Make sure you put the parentheses and quotation. Make sure you have Minecraft up and running, because when you go to run this program, you're going to see hello world like I have right here. Is that the error message you're getting, Ben? No module named Minecraft? Are you running 2.7, Ben? Because I just ran this. From mcpy.minecraft, import Minecraft capital M. You've got Minecraft lowercase m. I'm putting everyone's hands down. I think you're using the lowercase Minecraft, Ben. Yes, you typed this right into Python. Remember, you just created that file, hello world. So, from mcpy.minecraft, import Minecraft. MC, Minecraft, capital N, dot create, parentheses. Make sure you're looking at my screen right now. I'm going to blow it up even more. Raise your hand. All right, make sure you have Minecraft running. Once you have that, you can enter command straight in the Python window. Just hit enter. Don't do that. If it's a file, that's what you've did. Hit Control Save and run with F5. When your code runs, you should see a message in your screen. You should see Hello World. Raise your hand if you get it to do that. Good job, Abigail. Good job, Gabriel. All right, Josh, you guys are hacking into it. Well done. Elijah, nice. Ben, did you get it to work? Maybe by strong. Yeah, good job, Ben. Yes, you need to go ahead. Make sure that once you have it, save with, hit the Control S key or just do File Save and hit an F5. It'll run it. F5. Noah, good job. Jean-Marc, are you getting it? Everybody leave their hands up so we know not to leave people behind. Try to help those people who don't have it. There is, while we're waiting on those folks, I want to tell everybody, the newest version of Raspbian, which we may have you download and install at labs everywhere. Allows you to includes now a good word processor. It includes the ability to attach scratch directly into the GPIO pins. It's amazing. So that new Deviant's come out. I'm gonna start downloading it, and putting it on our computers, all our Raspberry Pi computers. It's pretty sweet. How are we coming there, Andrew? Marissa, tell me what's going on so we can help. Mine isn't working. All right. I'm getting an... Okay. I am going to guarantee if you're getting an error, you're not typing what they have there. Then if it won't let you use the quotation marks, Andrew, it's because you have set up your keyboards on an English system, not US. You'll have to go to config sys. Can you even get quotations on yours? And if anything, just in post to chat parentheses a number. Maybe it'll allow you to post that. Now, I'm getting an error. John, what's yours not doing, John Mark? Let me walk through John Mark. First time through, it'll take us a little bit longer. Also, if you want, you can jump ahead. If you want to go to raspberry.pi and you can see the lookout I'm using. Jean Marc.
Mine's just not running every time I hit F5.
What does it do?
Nothing.
All right. Do you look over at your Minecraft and see if anything's coming up?
Yeah, my Minecraft's right next to it.
Okay. When it's not running, go bring up the pro code. Let me read the code to me.
It says, where should I hit F5 on? Inside the Python thing, right?
Correct.
Well, it just says from mcpi.minecraft, import Minecraft.
All right. Does it turn blue like that?
Under. It turns orange.
Okay, orange. It may do that. Is it capital Minecraft?
Mm-hmm.
All right. MC equals Minecraft dot create parentheses.
Yes, I got that.
MC dot post to chat capital T capital C parentheses quotation mark hello word quotation mark parentheses.
Yep.
All right. Let me see what else you're trying to do there. Okay. When it comes up, when you hit F5, what else happens? What are the screens you have running right now?
I have Minecraft, Python, and the file manager, but...
Get rid of the file manager so we don't have anything else blocking our views, okay?
Okay.
Now what I gotta do? Yeah, Una did it. Great. I'm helping you out. I can figure out. All right, Marissa, hit F5. All right, for Andrew, does it say ampersand instead of quotation mark? Mine was doing the same. If it's doing that, you're in an English keyboard. If you want the quotation marks, hit the ampersand key, and that'll replace the quotation. So because you've got the British one running, hit the ampersand. It'll help you out. All right, going back to Jean-Marc here. Jean, let me look at something here right now with you that I want you to run. Hang on one second.
Okay.
Because I've got the same hello world on mine. All right, so what you're going to do is go to run, and then I want you to check module.
Into what?
Check module. Oh, I bet you I just shoot. File open.
Where is module?
Go up to run. Go into run in Python. You see where it says run at the top of the Python menu?
Mine doesn't say run.
Yeah, well then you're not, because you're in the Python shell.
Oh.
I don't want you in the Python shell. Go back to your window, and there should be Python shell, maybe untitled, or maybe Hello World Pi. Look under Windows up there. What do you see?
Python 279 shell.
All right, what else do you see? What else do you see?
Minecraft Pi.
Okay. No. Go inside Python. You never created the file, dude. Okay, I need you to go.
Okay.
That's what you got to do. Do me a favor. Go back on when you're in Python. When you are in Python, go up to File and select New Window, okay?
Okay.
See right there?
Yeah, mine says new file, but does that work?
Let me see. Let me look. I'm doing the same thing on my Raspberry Pi here. File. No, it should say New Window. Are you in the Are you in the? You've got File up at the top. It should say New Window.
Mine says new file.
Okay, I don't think you're in Python.
I'm in Python 2.7.
Where are you getting new file, dude? I'm right here. All right, here I go. I go into Python. It comes up. The shell comes up. If I go to File, do you see at the top of your Python where it says Python shell? Do you see a blue line that says Python shell?
Yes.
Go to File.
Okay.
Click on File. What's the first choice?
New file.
Then open recent files, open module.
Recent file.
Okay. No. Let me ask, buddy. If you're when you go under File on the Python shell, you see File, Edit, Shell, Debug, Option, Windows, Help.
Yep.
And then when you click on File, the first thing down is not New Window.
Nope, it's new file.
Hang on a second. Let me try one other thing here.
And then when I hit new file, it opens something called Untitled.
Okay. I don't have that. I'm not sure what you're playing.
And there's a run in the new file.
No, we don't. We shouldn't be new file. There's nowhere in Python where it should be saying new file. Go to Edit for me. What's your first choice in Edit?
Undo.
Go to Shell. What do you see there?
View last restart.
Debug.
Go to file/line.
Options.
Configure IDLE.
I'm going to go back to File again. I don't even have what you're saying. I've got New Window, Open, Recent Files. Do you have Open after New Window?
Yes. Yeah, open.
What's it below that?
Recent files.
Next one.
Open module.
Class Browser, then Path Browser. All right, go to New File if they're going to call that. I'm curious what you see. Tell me what you see when you see New File.
File, Edit, Format, Run, Options, Windows, Help.
All right, take the code from the other one and drop it in there and save it. File, click on File, Save As, and just type in Hello World real quickly.
Okay.
And then hit Save.
Okay.
All right, and then I'll show you the code. Now that you've saved it, you should have that window, and up at the top should say Hello World, correct? And the blue line, and that open.
I'm saving it right now.
What's that?
I'm saving it.
Okay. Everybody else, would you check to see, folks, if you got that?
Okay.
All right. Then, I'm trying to get him first. I'll get everybody else. Type in this code here from mcpi.minecraft space import capital Minecraft. Marissa and Andrew, you've got to type. You go run. You two need to run. I believe you mistyped something. If you would, did it work?
Yep.
So hello world showed up, correct?
Yep.
Good. I'm not sure what happened. I think you were in the shell before, okay? Which you can kind of make it work with the shell, but that's not what we want to do here because we're going to keep resaving these files so we don't have to keep typing everything. All right, folks. I know I'm spending a lot of time, but someday it's going to be you that don't get it. All right, when I try to launch it, as a bunch of red coding says error, connection refused. I'm willing to bet this is typed in wrong. So Andrew, let me go ahead and Jean-Marc hear it. Remember, folks, in Charlotte, we have lab. By the way, we have lab tomorrow night, Thursday night here in Charlotte. Okay. Now. All right, I made it. Doing it great. Now, Andrew. Andrew. Let me go ahead and talk to and see if I can get Andrew on here. We'll get him set. We'll get the next people. If, folks, you're already done with this, you want to go on, just go to their Raspberry Pi site, go under Learning, and go under Minecraft. You're going to see the PDF I'm using here. All right, Andrew. Hello, Andrew. Hey, Andrew. Andrew. Andrew, I can hear your keyboard. Can you talk to me, Andrew?
Oh, sorry. I tried correcting it, and it says there's an error in your program, invalid syntax.
Right. So we're going to go through it. You just misspelled something. Go back to your code. Go back to the file. Get out of the shell. Go to the file that says Hello World and bring up your code so we can go through it together. Okay?
Alright, I have it.
Okay. Do you have from MC? Do you have from, right?
Yes.
FROM space lowercase mcpi dot Minecraft all lowercase.
Got it.
Do you have it spelled MINECRAFT?
Yes.
Import space import IMPORT. Do you have that? Do you have that, son?
Yes.
Okay, got to tell. All right, great. And then you say Minecraft, capital M. Yep, Minecraft, MINECRAFT. It's a capital M. Do you have that now?
Yes.
Did you change anything?
No.
Okay, let's go down to the next line. We got to figure out where your typo is. MC equals Minecraft, capital M, dot create, parenthesis. Do you have that?
Yes. Is there a space between the MC and equals, or?
Yeah, you should. You should put MC.
Because that's what I. Alright, just making sure.
Yeah, and between the both of them. All right, then MC dot post capital TO, capital T, O, capital CHAT. Do you have that?
Yes.
Parentheses.
Mm-hmm.
Ampersand, because you can't get the. Does it show a quotation mark then when you do it?
Yeah. It switched the capital, the at sign and the parenthesis. I mean, not the parenthesis. The
Quotations.
Yeah.
Because you have it set up as a British keyboard. That's what it defaults to. We need to change it to a US keyboard. Okay? That's
Okay,
why it's doing that. All right.
how-
Well, right now, let's get everybody set, and I'll stay after and help you do that. You're gonna reach. Well, where do you have lab, man?
um, I, hang on.
Charlotte or Raleigh, bud? Are you Charlotte or Raleigh?
I think I'm Charlotte.
Okay, yeah, you're going to Charlotte. Come see me in lab tomorrow, and I'll help you, or Thursday, and I'll get you set up there. Okay? I'm running through there. All right. Now, let's go back to this. You got quotation, hello world, quotation, which you're hitting with the ampersand, and then parentheses.
Yep.
Did you do that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, did you change anything so far from what we just talked about?
No.
Did you make a correction of any type? So, in other words, what you typed in originally is perfect?
Pretty much.
Not pretty much. It's got to be the.
Well, yeah.
All right, so here's what I want you to do. I want you to hit save. Oh, shoot. I'm running back and forth from one machine to another, and I just hit something. Bear with me. I want you to click on run, and I want you to wait a minute, here we go. Why am I getting into all these issues? Hang on. Wait a minute, let me do something here. All right, what I want you to do is do run, and then click on check module. Click run, check module.
Right?
All right. What did you get?
It says there's an error in your program, invalid syntax.
Okay, something you're typing, you've added an extra line, or there's some other line in your code.
Okay.
Are you running 2.7? Which Python are you running?
2.
2. You sure?
Yes.
All right. If you can, get a we've got to come back because everybody else is running. Mine's running. So there's somewhere in there. You sure you don't have something before the from or after the post to chat hello world line? What invalid syntax? Is it showing you anything in particular? What's that?
It has a red line at the bottom.
Right. But where's the code? Where is it pointing to? Does it tell you what line of code that the error is?
No, it's just at the very bottom.
Yeah, but that just lists things. Hang on, let me do an error check on this.
Oh, I have random spaces at the bottom.
What do you mean random spaces?
I had there's just random spaces at the bottom. Right.
Like dashes or something? Just junk text?
No, just if you're typing spaces in between words and stuff that I didn't realize was there.
Okay, go ahead and try that. Get rid of those. I'm not sure that would matter. Well, Python white spaces do, so it depends where you have them. Okay, go ahead. I'm going to mute you, and I'm going to get back to this other person, and then I'll come back to you.
It just worked now, so.
Good. All right. Andrew is set. Who's next? All right, his is working. Very nice. Very nice, Josh. Josh, going with Ben, you could appreciate this and some other people's experience. He had a bit of code that says chat equals MC post to chat, and now all he has to type is the word chat or set when he wants to set a block. All right, now. All right. All right. Says no module. Cameron, you're not typing something quite right, buddy. You first make sure you're in 2.7, Cameron. Then type in import Minecraft, capital M. Make sure you have that. Not on the Python shell when I click run. No, you need to Marissa, please create a file. It should be a blank screen. It should not look like, it shouldn't have this at the top when you run it. You don't want to be in the shell. When they made this, first of all, they're telling you to use Python 3 and you can't. It's got to be Python 2. And it's just poor. They need to fix this. No, Cameron, you haven't. Okay, unless you're running it. All right. I did. I typed what you have, Cameron. If you typed what I have identical, and you're in 2.7, it would run. There must be some other lines under there. Computers are consistent. They do what we tell them, not what we want necessarily. So do you have anything added? Do you have any extra spaces? Is this changing? Is the from and import different colors? Is it MCPy dot Minecraft lowercase m Minecraft capital M MC equals capital M Minecraft create parentheses MC post to chat hello world. That's not a problem, Marissa, because right over there, it's when you run the shell, go and look the hello world, see if the Minecraft comes on. Make sure you have Minecraft running so if hello world pops up, you'll see it. Cameron, trust me, there's something you don't have quite right. Get a mom or another person to look over your shoulder to see it. That's the great thing about programming is it's always consistent. Okay, Grayson, I'm not sure what you're saying. I don't care if it isn't highlighting orange, just from, that's one word, space, MCPy Minecraft, space, import, capital Minecraft. All right, it's working now. Marissa, good, I'm glad that. It says no manual named MCPy because you got a period there, dude. It's MCPy. There's no period between MC and pi. It's MCPy dot Minecraft. Import Minecraft. So that's what you were doing wrong, Cameron. Do you see this? There's no period between MC and pi, and you've got it listed right there as it does. There's MC pi period Minecraft, not MC period pi period Minecraft. That's what you have right now in that code. You've got basketball. You got to get going. Yes, it's 5 o'clock, Noah. Yeah, Wednesday we'll go take this farther. But everybody save this because then we're going to start building upon this. And then we'll come back to Code Combat and get you going up to Python. Ben, I wanted to talk to you and your mom maybe about doing some high school stuff here over the next few weeks when you come to Charlotte. All right, anyways, Cameron, MCPy from, do you have from MCPy? Do you have the word from MCPy there, Cameron? Cameron? So I can get this through with you, buddy. Let me talk to you. Cameron? Hello, Cameron?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes. Do you have the lowercase from?
Yeah.
Orange. Okay. Do you have this? Are you running Python 2.7?
Yes.
All right, then you got from MCPy, all lowercase, period, Minecraft, space, import, capital M Minecraft for Minecraft. Do you have that?
Yes. Space after import, right?
Yep, and then just capital Minecraft, correct?
Correct.
Then below it, do you have MC equals capital M for Minecraft dot create parentheses parentheses?
Yes.
All right. And then under MC dot post to chat with T being a capital T and C in chat capital. Do you have that correct?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
Parentheses, quotation, hello world, quotation, parentheses.
Yes.
And you have nothing else in this code besides that. There's no extra
No.
spaces, no line above it, no line below it.
No.
Okay.
No lines.
Then do me this favor. Go ahead and do run. Here's what I want you to run for me. See, because you're getting the message I get when I try to run this in 3.0. Go ahead and hit run. And then select check module.
Okay.
When you do that and the shell comes up, what does it say?
Trace back most recent call last. File home pi Minecraft world pi line 1 in module from Minecraft pi import Minecraft import error no module named MC pi dot Minecraft.
MC pi, MC, like MC, the letter M, the letter C, the letter P, the letter I, right?
Yes.
Dot lowercase Minecraft, correct?
Correct.
And you have the from in front of that.
Correct.
Are you in, what version of Python are you in?
The one that says 3.0.
Dude, I've said Cameron multiple times, 2.7, my friend.
Oh, okay.
Copy all that, drop it in your 2.7, it'll run. That's the error message we get. That's why that page is wrong. All right?
Correct.
Okay. Yeah, Marissa, if you gotta go, you gotta go. She's already left. She got hers to work. All right. Anybody else have any other questions? Yes, it is about over, Caleb. If you don't have any questions, everybody, we'll call it. It's 5 o'clock. I'll let you guys go. All right? All right. Bye-bye.